Students, today we are discussing chapter 6 lines and angles. There are some basic terms and definitions. At first, collinear points. If three or more points lie on a line, they are called collinear points. For example, A, B, C are collinear points since they lie on the line is XY. Point A, B, C lie on XY, so they are called collinear points. If three or more points do not lie on a line, they are called non-collinear points. For example, P, Q, R are non-collinear points since they are lie on two different lines. Next, a part of a line with two endpoints is called a line segment. This is a part of a line AB which have two endpoints A and B. So AB is a line segment, not line. A part of a line with one endpoint is called a ray. This is a part of a line. Here A is endpoint and B is extended up to infinity. So AB is called a ray and denoted by AB. Next, some angles. Definition of some angles. Acute angle. The angle which is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. This is called acute angle, and acute angles are less than 90 degree. Right angle, the angles which is equal to 90 degree is called right angle, and this is called right angle. Obtuse angle, the angles which are greater than 90 degree but less than 180. This type of angle is called obtuse angle. Straight angle, the angle which is equal to 180 degree is called straight angle. This is S is X, S, Y. This is straight angle. This is equal to 180 degree. Reflex angle. The angles greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree are called reflex angle. This angle is called reflex angle. This is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Now some pair of angles, adjacent angles. Two angles are adjacent if they have a common vertex and a common arm and their non-common arms are on different sides of the common arm. This is B is the common vertex, BD is the common line, and AB and BC are non-common lines lie on different side of BD. So ABD and CBD are called adjacent angles. Linear pair angles. If sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, that is if the non-common arms BA and BC form a straight line, then they are called linear pair. They are called linear pair. ABD and CBD are called linear pair since ABD plus DBC, non-common arm AB and BC form a straight line AC, and sum of these two angle is 180 degree. They are called linear pair. Vertically opposite angles. If two straight lines intersect each other at a point, then they form two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Line AB and CD intersect at point O. They form AOC and BOD, one pair of vertically opposite angles, and other pair is AOD and BOC. They are vertically opposite angles. Axiom 6.1. If a ray stand on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. you see ray OC stand on AB. Therefore, AOC plus BOC is equal to 180 degree. And this axiom is called linear pair axiom. And AOC and BOC is called linear pair. Axiom 6.2. If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then the non-common arms of the angle form a line. Since AOC plus BOC is equal to 180 degree, therefore AB is a straight line. Theorem 6.1. You see 6.1 and 6.2, their axiom, they need not any proof. But theorem, their axiom need not any proof, but theorems which need proof. So, theorem 6.1. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Given AB and CD, two lines intersect at O. To prove vertically opposite angle AOC is equal to BOD and AOD is equal to BOC. Now ray OA, proof. Ray OA stand on CD. By linear pair axiom, we get that AOD plus AOC is equal to 180 degree. AOC plus AOD is equal to 180 degree. By linear pair axiom, you must write the reason. Why you write this? You must write the reason. And we mark it 1. Ray OC stand on line AB. Now AOC plus BOC. AOC plus BOC is also 180 degree. By same linear pair axiom, from 1 and 2 we get that their right hand sides are equal. So we get the left hand side also equal. Therefore AOC plus AOD is equal to AOC plus BOC. AOC plus AOD is equal to AOC plus BOC. We cancel the equal terms AOC. Now we get AOD is equal to BOC. So we prove that AOC is equal to BOD. Similarly, we can prove the other pair AOD and BOC also. Now, exercise 6.1. At first, you read the question from book. Then, what are given, you write what are given and to find what. Given that line AB and CD intersect at a point O. Given that AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. And BOD, now this angle BOD, given that this is equal to 40. This is equal to 40 degree. And this plus this is equal to 70 degree. We have to find what? BOE. Now this angle. We have to find this angle and reflex COE. What is reflex COE? Not this angle. This angle is called reflex COE. We have to find reflex COE and BOE. Now solution. You see AOC is equal to BOD. AOC and BOD. Why AOC is equal to BOD? Because they are vertically opposite angle. So given that BOD is equal to 40 degree, so we get that AOC is also 40 degree. Now, given that AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree, therefore we put here the value of AOC 40 degree, BOE is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, BOE is equal to 70 minus 40, BOE is equal to 30 degree. We get 1. Now, reflex COE. Reflex COE you see from the diagram, AOC reflex COE मतलब AOC plus BOE and angle AOB. AOC plus BOE given that 70 degree and AOB is equal to 180 degree. So we add 70 plus 180, we get 250 degree. Now reflex COE is equal to, we get 250 degree. Next question, given that line XY and MN intersect, line XY and MN intersect at O. MN, this line MN and this line XY intersect at O. Again, given that POY is equal to 90 degree and given that the ratio of A means POM and MOX is equal to A is to B. We have to find C, angle C, that is XOM. Now POY is equal to 90 degree. Therefore POY plus POX is equal to 180 degree because XY is a straight line. They are linear pair. So POX is equal to 180 minus POY. POY is equal to 90 degree. Therefore we get that POX is equal to 90 degree. Let A is equal to A. Ratio is given that 2 is to 3. So A is equal to 2x, B is equal to 3x. POX is equal to 90 degree. We can break POX as POM and MOX. POM plus MOX. And we put the value of POM 2x plus 3x. 2x plus 3x we get 2x plus 3x we get 90 degree. 5x is equal to 90, therefore x is equal to 90 divided by 5, x is equal to 180 degree. B is equal to 3x. Therefore B is equal to 3 into 1854 degree. Now ray OX stand on MN. You look at the figure. Line CX. Line CX stand on MN. Therefore MOX plus NOX is equal to 180 degree. By linear pair axiom, B plus C is equal to 180 degree. B plus C is equal to 180 degree. We get that B is equal to 54. From here we get B is equal to 54. 54 degree plus C is equal to 180 degree. Therefore C is equal to 180 minus 54. C is equal to 126. We get the answer. C is equal to 126 degree. Now you can try number 3. If you can't do, now I do it for you. Now given that angle, you draw the diagram, and given that PQR and PRQ both are equal given. Now we are to find that we are to prove that PQS is equal to PRT. Now proof. Ray QP, this ray QP stand on ST. Therefore PQR plus PQS is equal to 180 degree. Again PR stand on ST. PRQ plus PRT is equal to 180 degree. This one and this one. RT stand on ST, therefore PRT plus PRQ is equal to 180 degree. Here we see that right hand side is also 180 degree and 180 degree. From we mark it 1 and this 2. From 1 and 2 we get that PQR plus PQS is equal to PRT and PRQ. We are given that PQR and PRQ are equal. Therefore, we cancel the equal terms PQR since given PQR is equal to PRQ. We cancel this and get PQS is equal to PRT. This is the proof. Next question, lesson 4. Number 4. Here given that you see the diagram. This one is the diagram and you draw and try to solve this. Here given that x plus y is equal to w plus z. To prove AOB is a line. Now OC stand on AB. COB plus COA is equal to 180 degree. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. We get. Now OD stand on AB. Therefore AOD plus BOD is equal to 180 degree. W plus Z is equal to 180 degree. Adding 1 plus 2. This 1 and this 2. X plus Y plus W plus Z is equal to 180 plus 180 degree. X plus Y, since given that W plus Z is equal to X plus Y, we replace W plus Z X plus Y is equal to 360 degree. 2x, x plus x 2x, y plus y 2y is equal to 360 degree. Dividing both sides by 2, x plus y is equal to 180 degree we get. Since x plus y is equal to 180 degree, therefore BOC, x plus, we proved that x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore AOC plus BOC is equal to 180 degree. Therefore AOB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore AOB is a straight line. We write here. Now this BOC plus AOC 180 degree. AOB is equal to 180 degree. AOB is a line. By axiom 6.2 proved. Number 5. Number 5. POQ is a line. POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to PQ. OS is another line between ray OR and OP. To prove that ROC, this angle, ROS is equal to half of QOS minus half of QOS minus POS. Proof. Ray OR stand on PQ. Therefore, POR plus ROQ is equal to 180 degree. ROQ given 90 degree. Therefore, POR is equal to 180 minus 180. POR is equal to 180 minus 90. Therefore, ROQ is equal to POR is equal to 90 degree. POR is equal to POS plus ROS. POS plus ROS is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, ROS is equal to 90 minus POS. We mark this 1. Again, we see here ROS. Look at the picture. ROS plus ROQ is equal to QOS. We write here. ROS plus ROQ. ROS plus ROQ is equal to QOS. And ROQ is equal to 90 degree. QOS. ROS is equal to QOS minus 90 degree. Adding 1 and 2. ROS plus ROS. 2 ROS plus 90 minus POS. 90 minus POS plus QOS minus 90. ROS plus ROS, 2 ROS is equal to 90 cancel. We write QOS first, QOS minus POS. Therefore, 2 ROS is equal to QOS minus POS. ROS is equal to divided by 2 half QOS minus POS. Proved. Next, number 6, you draw the figure like this and prove. Here given that XYZ is equal to 64. XY is produced to a point P. YQ bisects ZYP. We have to find XYQ. We have to find XYQ and reflex QYP. Reflex QYP matlab this angle. We have to find reflex QYP, this angle. Now solution. Ray YZ, this ray stand on XY. Therefore, XYZ plus ZYP is equal to 180 degree linear pair axiom. This is linear pair axiom. Linear pair axiom. Now, XYZ is equal to 64. 64 plus ZYP is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, ZYP is equal to 180 minus 64. ZYP is equal to 116 degree. Now, ZYQ. You look the diagram. ZYQ and QYP half of ZYP because YQ is the bisector of ZYP. So, ZYP is equal to QYP is equal to half of ZYP. ZYP is equal to, we get 116 degree, 160 degree. We divide this by 2 and get 58 degree. ZYQ is equal to QYP is equal to 58 degree. Now, XYQ, you again look the diagram. This. But we have to find XYQ. XYQ. This is equal to XYZ plus ZYQ. XYQ is equal to 64 and ZYQ is equal to 58. 64 plus 58 we get, you look here, XYQ, XYZ plus ZYQ. 64 degree plus 58 degree and we did add this 122. Reflex QYP is equal to 360 minus QYP, 360 minus 58 degree, and this is 302 degree. This is more than 180 but less than 360. So this is reflex angle. Now reflex QYP is equal to 302 degree. Now we have finished exercise 6.1. Next class we will start exercise 6.2. Thank you.